Hey guys, this is IndigoChild16 here, and today I'm back with another video. This is a video of me telling you that I just found a free friggin' app. It's a similar app, but you don't have to use Zedge to tune sync to your iTunes. It's easier, it's better than buying freaking ringtones off the iTunes. This app is completely free, so you can download as many ringtones as you want. And as soon as you download that, you can send it via email. And as soon as you send that to your email, you click your email on your laptop. If you have a computer, any computer that you use, you download it from there. Now what you wanna do after you download it, you wanna go into freaking the file explorer on your computer, whatever laptop you use. You click that, and then after you do that, you wanna go to downloads, make a new folder, put the ringtones that you just downloaded off the ringtones app, which is called ringtones. That's what the app's called. As soon as you do that, you want to drag that to music, then you want to put that in iTunes, then you want to go onto iTunes Media and then automatically add. After that, as soon as you do that, as soon as you put that in automatically add, all you have to do is connect your phone to your laptop after you've done all the steps as I'm showing you. Then, as soon as your iPhone is connected, you probably have to wait, if you haven't connected it before, a couple minutes. That's all it would take. As soon as you've done that, you want to go to iTunes and freaking wait until it syncs your phone to your iTunes. And then, as soon as that go on, you want to go to that little iPhone indicator, whatever you use. Well, it's only works on iPhone, iPad, or iPhone, iPod, or whatever you use. Connect that to it. As soon as you've done that, you want to go to Tunes, and then you want to sync it to there. But, as you want to know, if you download new ringtones, all you have to do is do the same thing that I did in these steps. And as soon as you've done that, you'll have free ringtones for life, without paying for it, or without using Zedge or what other ringtones app you have. This is the app that I found more effective, that's more easier than any other app that's on the app stores. So please check that out if you want to get free ringtones. It's better than buying freaking ringtones from Apple Store. You'd be saving $1 something, whatever, how much it costs, $1 a ringtone, whatever it costs. You'd be saving a lot of money, because if you want to get good ringtones, every ringtone that exists is on this app. It says in the app, it says 500,000, I think that's how much ringtones there is. So if you guys want to check that out, please check the ringtones app if you guys want free ringtones. So yeah, I'm going to be wrapping up this video. I just have nothing to talk about. I just wanted to tell you that I found an app. I'm using that right now. Sorry, I just burped. I'm using this ringtone app right now. I think it's kind of easy. It's better than doing the Zedge and then downloading TuneSync for your computer. A bunch of bullshit. Sometimes it doesn't work. So guys, if you want to check that out, the link will be in the description below. Probably, I'm not sure, but the link will be in the description below. All you have to do is click that, and it'll send you to it right there. So basically, that's all I want to do. I'm just going to be wrapping up this video. I'll talk to you later. Peace.